Most WordPress developers you interview can't do the job you're actually hiring for, not because they're lying. Because WordPress developer isn't one job, it's four. And most companies don't find that out until week 3. WordPress runs 43% of every website on the internet, so the talent pool looks huge. But that's the trap. A giant pool of people who all use the same word for very different skills. Here's where it breaks down. Resumes are inflated. Everyone's a senior WordPress expert. Subspecialties get blurred. A theme builder and a WooCommerce engineer are not the same person. And then there's the page builder trap. Someone who's great in Elementor might not be able to write a custom plugin from scratch. Drag and drop is not the same as writing code. So you hire fast and you inherit a mismatch. Before you post anything, get honest about the role. There are really 4 lanes: custom theme development, building the front end from the ground up; plugin development, writing functionality that doesn't exist yet; WooCommerce engineering, checkout, payments, the money layer; and Headless, using WordPress through the REST API with a separate front end. A senior person in one lane can be a junior in another. Name the lane first. It changes everything about who you screen. This is where vetting has to go deeper than a resume. We start with a WordPress core depth assessment: hooks, actions, WP_query, the real fundamentals. Then a specialization track interview matched to your lane. Then a live debug and refactor. We hand them broken code and watch them fix it. And finally, a communication and overlap review. Because shipping code you can't talk through doesn't help you. You're not hiring a keyword. You're hiring depth you can verify. Let's hit the questions we get most. How much does an offshore WordPress developer cost per month? Mid-level runs $2,500 to $3,800 a month. Junior starts around $1,600. Senior, $3,600 to $5,200. Architects go higher. Can an offshore developer really handle WooCommerce? Yes, but it depends on the person, not the country. WooCommerce needs specific screening for checkout hooks, HPOS, and payment architecture. That's why we test for it directly. Do they work US hours? Most offer 4 to 6 hours of US overlap. Latin America covers Eastern Time. Asia-based developers cover your mornings. The takeaway is simple. Stop hiring the word WordPress. Start hiring the specific lane you need, screened by someone who can tell the difference. That is the whole game. Making the right hire starts with the right lane. If you want vetted WordPress resumes matched to your actual stack, Core BPO sends them in 2 to 5 business days. 0 up front. You can find the link in the description. Let's build your team today.